One repo this week can slash your AI token costs by 90%, and honestly, it might change how you work forever. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today as we look at the absolute best of GitHub. The community has been busy, and today's list is heavy on AI power tools. We've got everything from stealth browsers to personal superintelligences that run locally on your machine. Seriously, the innovation happening right now is actually impressive. All right, let's jump right in. First up is openhuman from the team at tinyhumansai. It's a personal AI superintelligence that is private, simple, and written in Rust. It's already racked up over 20,000 stars. The project is blowing up because people are tired of sending their private data to big cloud providers. This gives you a powerful AI harness while keeping everything on your own hardware. Why does this matter? Because it bridges the gap between raw models and a usable daily assistant. It's fast, memory safe, thanks to Rust, and has a great community behind it. With nearly 4,000 stars just today, the hype is real. It's perfect if you want to build a truly private second brain without sacrificing the performance of a modern LM stack. Next, we have Superpowers by Obra. This isn't just a tool, it's a software development methodology for coding agents. It has a staggering 198,000 stars, and it's still trending daily. Instead of letting an agent just blindly write code, Superpowers makes it step back and clarify the specs first. It uses a sub-agent-driven development process that is honestly mind-blowing. The wild part? It allows agents to work autonomously for hours without deviating from your plan. It enforces test-driven development and keeps the code lean and dry automatically. It works with Claude Code, Cursor, and even GitHub Copilot CLI. If you've ever been frustrated by agents making bad assumptions, this framework is the solution you have been looking for. Moving on to CloakBrowser by CloakHQ. This is a stealth Chromium variant that passes every single bot detection test. It's a drop-in replacement for Playwright with source-level patches. It passes 30 out of 30 tests, which is actually impressive. Most scrapers get blocked by Cloudflare or fingerprinting, but CloakBrowser uses deep patches to stay completely undetected. Why? To enable AI agents to actually browse the modern web without hitting brick walls. It handles CAPTCHAs and complex fingerprinting like a pro, making web automation much more reliable. If you are building scrapers or web-based agents, this is a must-have. It's written in Python and is gaining massive traction in the AI agent community right now. Now let's talk about RTK, which stands for Rust Token Killer. It's a high-performance CLI proxy that reduces LM token consumption by 60 to 90% on common commands. This is wild, because it saves you a massive amount of money on your API bills without losing quality. It's a single Rust binary with 0 dependencies, making it super easy to install. The secret? It optimizes the context sent to the model, stripping out the fluff. For any developer using Claude Code or Anthropic APIs, this thing pays for itself in a day. It has already hit 50,000 stars, and it is trending for a reason. If you're serious about agentic coding but hate the costs, RTK is exactly what you need. Next up is Agency Agents by msitarzewski. This repo provides a complete AI agency at your fingertips. We are talking about specialized experts with unique personalities and proven processes. Instead of generic prompts, you get front-end wizards, Reddit ninjas, and reality checkers. Each agent has its own voice and specific deliverables that they are optimized to create. Why use this? Because specialized agents perform better than general ones. These are battle-tested workflows that originated from real-world use cases on Reddit and beyond. With over 100,000 stars, it's clear people love having a pre-made team. It's production-ready and perfect for anyone looking to scale their workflow with specialized AI talent. Check out codegraph by colbymchenry. This is a pre-indexed code knowledge graph designed to supercharge tools like Cursor and Claude Code by providing semantic intelligence locally. It results in 94% fewer tool calls and is 77% faster at exploration. The best part is that it is 100% local, so your code stays on your machine. Why does it work? It replaces the expensive and slow file exploration that agents usually do with a fast pre-indexed graph. It makes your coding assistant feel much smarter. It's built with TypeScript and has a really smooth interactive installer. If you want your AI to actually understand your massive codebase instantly, you need to try codegraph. Now for something really cool. andrej-karpathy-skills by multica-ai. It's a single Claude MD file designed to fix common LLM coding pitfalls based on Karpathy's own observations. It addresses issues like models making wrong assumptions or overcomplicating code. By adding this one file to your project, you force Claude to think before coding and prioritize simplicity. Why is it trending? Because it's a simple, low-friction way to get better results. It has nearly 140,000 stars and is solving the bloat problem that many AI coders face. It enforces surgical changes and goal-driven execution. If you find your AI agent writing 1,000-line functions when 100 would do, this file will be a lifesaver for you. Finally, we have PhotoGIMP by Diolinux. This is a patch for GIMP 3 that transforms the interface to feel familiar to Adobe Photoshop users. It's perfect for open source switchers. It reorganizes tools, adds Photoshop keyboard shortcuts, and even includes a custom splash screen. It makes the transition to a free editor so much smoother and less frustrating. Why use it? Muscle memory is a huge barrier when switching software. This removes that barrier by mimicking the layout you've used for years in the Adobe ecosystem. It's community-driven and totally free. If you want the power of GIMP but the comfort of Photoshop, this patch is an absolute no-brainer for your creative workflow. That's all for today. A huge thank you to the developers behind these projects for keeping the open source spirit alive. Which repo piqued your interest? Let me know in the comments. I'm Jason with Github Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.